Hey, welcome to my dining room. Angela from Creating It here, and I hope you are having a wonderful day. How would you like to learn how to do the slip slip knit stitch? Basically, this is a decreasing stitch in knitting, and it means to slip one stitch, slip the next stitch, and then knit them together. And if you like my tutorials, click the subscribe button down below and then tap the little bell notification next to it. And this way you will know right when a new tutorial is available for you. So come join me and let's learn to do the slip slip knit stitch. So let's learn how to do the slip slip knit, or as you would see in a pattern or an abbreviation chart, SSK. And it means to slip one, and then knit them together. So let me show you how that's done. Now I went ahead and I knit 4 stitches regularly. And now let's say you want to do a slip slip knit next. So go ahead and locate your next 2 stitches, and you're going to slip the first one as if to knit, and you're going to slip the second one as if to knit. Okay, so you can see we've slipped both of those stitches. Now what we're going to do is take your left needle and we're going to go in through the front of both of those stitches, just like so. And then we're going to wrap our working yarn around our right needle as if to knit regularly. And then go ahead, push that through and let those both slip off. And you can see that it is a left leaning decrease. So now let me go ahead and knit one regularly. And now we will do a slip slip knit again. So go ahead and slip that stitch as if to knit. Slip the other stitch as if to knit. Now take your left needle and go through the front of those 2 stitches. Wrap your working yarn around your right needle and go ahead and knit those like you regularly would. Now let those slip off. Another slip slip knit. Now let me do one more for you just so you can get the hang of it. So I will knit a regular stitch, and now we will get ready to do that again. Slip as if to knit, slip the next one as if to knit, take your left needle, go through the front of those 2 stitches, wrap your working yarn, go through there. Now let those 2 just fall off. And there you have it. That is how you do a slip slip knit stitch. So I hope you had a good time learning this stitch. If you have any questions, you can always ask me. And until next time, I'll see you later. Baby, you can't go in the pantry right now.
Or duck.
And it means to slip.